So now here we'll concentrate on our next video and how to create ads in our this, and what are the types of the ads are there. So there are different types of ads are there. So how to add these ads to your this here? Go to apps. Here you can click on this add app, but here I have the testing app, so I can use one of the testing app. So the testing app I want to use here now. So test app. So in this, whenever you click on this here, this is a here add units. Now click on add units. So whenever you click on the add units, so it says here banner and full. So whenever you click on this add unit, it is asking that four different types of ads are there: banner, industrial, rewarded, and native. So first we'll start with the banner in this video. So now just select a banner. So just you can add here something name, then click on this here. I added this banner. So some settings are also there: video and text, custom, Google optimized. We can go with the Google optimized. So now just I can click on this here. App ID is created. This is so done. So now back to this. Here just now we created this banner. This is. So now here I want to go with the project. Here this I have one of the project here. In this project I want to apply that one. How to apply that one? So if you want to apply that here, first here we need one XML. Here in this I'm taking one new XML. So I'm creating one of the XML file here. So how to create XML file here? Right click on this here. Here we need to create one new XML. So just I'm right clicking on here. So just a minute. So here new layout resource file. This layout resource file I'm giving you as ads. Just I'm giving you this name as ads. So then once you given a name as ads, so here there is a predefined code is available. So I'll show you the predefined code where we can get that. So I'm opening the browser. In this browser, just because why I'm showing this means sometimes it auto update in this here. So because of that, every time you can get the code from the official website. So here just you can type here in this ads Android, this developer.android.com itself. So I open that official website developer.android.com itself. So no worry, I'll share you this link in a description. So here once it's open here, we can able to check here now in this how we can calculate, how we can show this mobile ads in this here. It's opening this URL. So once you open here, so we created their banner. So just click on this banner, get started. So in this here one more thing, it's required minimum version is a 3.6 version and higher versions. A lower it can't work. So now this is the one. So this is the one. You can copy and paste here in this XML. So here you can add this something. You can paste in this. So once whenever you paste in this, it's created somewhere in this banner. So here banner, it's a one of the type. Here in this there are the different sizes also there. That sizes also I'll show you, but right now I'm going with this banner. So here this layout, it's a constant layout based on the constant layout only. So it's aligning in the bottom of the page. Then once you added here, now in which activity you want to add that, here you can add this here. How we can add this? I'm including that layout into this. So include layout. So I'm including which layout? Adds layout into this. So just I included the layout into this. So then when we see in this UI here, it says here this I want to define this weight of this application. Weight I want to give here 9. Here I can create this is linear layout. I am creating this weight sum. Weight sum I'm giving you here 10. So here for this I'm giving you as some linear layout. So linear layout. So that is match parent wrap content weight 1. So this I want to show here bottom of the page here. So like this. See here ads are created here now. So why it's created like this means now what we seen here now is a banner. In this XML it's a banner. But now here this banner as duplicated in place of the banner there are the different sizes as came here. So just come down here in this it shows this. See here in this itself it has the banner sizes here. It is saying this here I can come with this sizes. There are different sizes. See here adaptive banners. In adaptive banners so there are the different sizes here. So you can create the different size of this. So but here I want to choose the smart banners. So that smart banner instead of that one I want to go with the smart banner. So just I want to create here one of the smart banner as well here. So here in add.xml here in place of this I'm giving you the smart banner. Also this required Play Store permissions. So this required that Play Store permissions in your manifest file. So that Play Store permission means Play Store Gradle we need to add. That I can take from the Play Store Gradle from my website. So just I'm opening my website. From my website just I took this Play Store permissions. So control F adds. So just I want to take that this Play Store. In a project Gradle, we need to add this here as a implementation. I'm adding that. So as we discussed in a new, it's implementation. Just I'm adding this implementation. So once we add the implementation, that ad can be displayed there itself. So in this, there are the new version as came. So that 12.01 we can change Google version. So once this sync here we need to add this 3 lines of code in this. So this is the code we need to add here in our Java. So here in a Java just I'm adding this adds code. Just I'm adding this add view. Add view just we are finding the add view. Then we are giving this dialog.build add.request load. So automatically that ads can be loaded into your application. So in this whenever you are creating this account, when you create a new account, it won't display ads immediately. It will take a little bit time. So after 12 hours you can check this. Then ads can be displayed on your this. See, once this Gradle has synced, just we can add this one into this application. Imports. So still this Gradle is building. It's taking little bit time to build the Gradle here now. So maybe net is a little bit slow because of that. Gradle is building slow. So this is very simple way, but you can get a good income. And here some of the precautions, I mean some of the things we need to take care about this ads when you are enabling ads to your application. Those things we'll discuss in separate video. So in coming videos, I'll explain you those details. What are the things you need to follow when you are doing this Gradle and all? Means this ads enabling your application and how to maintain that application. That things will explain you in detail in the next videos. So still it's taking time to download this. So once this is done, we can able to check this output easily. Yeah, it's almost completed this Gradle building. Yeah, it's done. Once it is close this dialog, we can import this. So finally it's scanning this sources. So it's indexing this final. Yeah, it's in between we changed that Gradle version. So it's asking once again. So now but it's finished as soon as possible because already the related things are downloaded. So now here we can import this. So we can import those two things. So then this is automatical ads can load into your application, but immediately we can't check this ads now. But later after a few minutes, I mean, so I already told this after 12 hours, we can able to check this ads in our this. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. In next video, we can see here how to enable the full ads, industrial ads and other ads. Thank you.